Hi, hola chicos, welcome back. I hope you guys had a nice break. We're going to start trimester 3 with a new story. So we haven't had a story in a long time. This one's a very short story, and it's called El Pato y la Serpiente. Dos animales, and el pato is a duck. Y la serpiente, coming from the word serpent, is going to be a snake. And this story is going to have a little bit of a moral. So we're going to start with el vocabulario. And again, so número uno, un estanque es un charco, un cuerpo pequeño de agua. This is going to be a small pond. And el pato es un ave acuático, an aquatic bird with a flat beak and feet that are short and united. So el pato is a duck. Cansarse comes from the verb cansado, which means to be tired. Antoja. Antoja is kind of like when someone says on a whim. So we're going to talk about this character, and the main character is going to be El Pato. And he's going to talk to un otro animal, which is going to be muy astuta, listo, or inteligente. This is going to be clever, or sly. And the next word, un silbo, is un sonido, a sound that results by having air pass through your mouth using your lips. Un silbo is a whistle. So I don't know, sonido means sound, a sound that results when air passes through your mouth using your lips. Understand this story. I'm going to ask you guys. Número 7. Echar means to throw. Echar. And we're going to talk about a few animals that in this story they're going to compare. So the first one is el falcón. El falcón is a type of bird que tiene alas finas that can reach fast velocities. Un falcón is a type of bird that has fine wings that can reach high velocities. So this is going to be a falcon. The next animal that we're going to talk about is un pez. And un pez son los animales acuáticos, aquatic animals, which are los pez, fish. So the difference between pescado and pez is pescado is the fish you eat, and pez is like the still live fish. Raro is going to mean strange. Extraño, raro, something that happens in a weird way. And diestro is going to mean dexterous, skilled. Help us undo. The next one, dones, number 12, is going to mean their gifts or qualities. And they're going to talk about in this story about how each animal has certain gifts, dones, or qualities. El gamo is going to be a male deer, a buck, or male deer. And the last word that we're going to use is una cosa, inanimate object. Una cosa is a thing. So chicos, this vocab is I want you guys to create a Quizlet. So please create a Quizlet of 14 words for el pato y la serpiente. And I'm going to ask you guys to screenshot it and make sure that you send that in along with your classwork. So chicos, we begin this story today, and we will be conferencing every other day. So Tuesdays and Fridays, because Wednesdays we will not be meeting. See? All right, chicos, we will talk soon. Adios.